Yoweri Kaguta Museveni,
Raisi wa Uganda.
Yes. He's serving which term now?
Onagane twariganirwo kinyitie tamu cigana.
Yaunukitie miaka 40.
Ajiriria wathani 86. Ogwe mwaka wa 40 this year.
Yes. Ogwe gitamu ni ya mugwanja hau.
Yeah, should be 7.
Oh, watoki one term kule 7 term.
Na bado
alikuwa 2 term 1 term kule 7.
Na nieretirie ngeo.
Ni araneirwo kana ningi gwite.
Ni araneirwo. Na ndie kana ehitithirio for this time.
Ndari na ihenya.
Ndari ehitithio.
Asa ndari na ihenya. Kou ni amenya uthio kundu giti kingi.
Andu mathuraniria ngo January.
Ona speech ndio yahuthagira ile ya 86.
Agacenjia mwaka.
No They May 12.
Ndia kehitithio.
Muthoni aruga ni May, yes, ni May 12.
You'll be so in for new term on May 12.
Aka mundu uyu ndiako ani akinyire.
Ucio ni akinyire.
Ndirathana na mahinya ma tene. I'm still not done with my the other term. Then I started this new one. Where is the speech? And just the weather and the date. This one says this rainy day. Say sunny day. Change 5th term. This one we used it when?
The last time.
There are some people I mentioned here, they are no longer around. Delete. Yes. President Museveni. Anaona video ino yako ya ore karau.
Ino ya juzi.
Yes. Anaona andu akiatiriri. Let me ask you, Muhosi.
Yes.
I'm asking, you see, technology has evolved. Is this AI?
No, this is not AI.
This must be AI.
No, these are true images.
We are on a tari AI video.
He can't believe.
He cannot. I need your video. Yes, bring my spectacles. You see, when things are far, I don't see them. I want them nearer. Yes. So this is where?
There's a place called Old Kalau in Nyandarua, Kenya.
I know the place. There is a time I used to be in Mukurweini. I have lived there. So this is, it looks like a funeral.
It was a funeral service for the area member of parliament.
Yes. And when I look at the arrangement, it's like the state funded the funeral. I know this arrangement.
You are right.
The state funded.
Yes.
Who is the one talking here? What's his name?
The one speaking is immediate former deputy president.
Is Kindiki?
No, Kindiki is seated next to the president.
So after this one speaks, who will speak? Why are the civilians ushering in the deputy president? So he's a civilian.
No, he's former.
I understand the Alifoot one.
No, he was impeached and then...
So when you are impeached, you do not have the title of former.
No, they still call him former.
So why is he pointing at Ruto?
No, he was addressing him directly.
So he's actually speaking Swahili, I can hear.
Yes.
He's telling president is moving around with Watoto.
Yes.
And Ruto is just sitting there like he's watching football.
And he's smiling.
So what is Ruto smiling about? You see, this is supposed to already be a military affair. The state funded the funeral, including the microphone he's using.
And the stage, and the carpet.
She has even brought a choir.
No, those are his foot soldiers.
Who are they in the program?
No.
So he's hijacking the program.
Something like that.
You see, some of Coral Ruto.
Put him on the line.
Samoei, you are taking things too far. That is bad precedence. You see, I told you, stop allowing every Tom, Dick, and Harry into State House. Now I heard you complaining they are coming there in the jumpsuits.
President. I
heard you say Sakaja has come with a jumpsuit. You see, you let them all come there. They are going to come in a swimming costume. So, Mohosi, who's this bearded one?
He is a county senator.
Why is she okay?
That is his style.
She's very weird. It reminds me of my gorilla days when we were fighting for the liberation of this. Why does he look like a rebel?
He's one of sort.
You know, Ruto should be very careful. If these people go to the bush and come back, what did he say exactly?
No, he told the president that they respect him as a president, but they don't fear him.
I think it's good time for me to go to sleep. You are saying, Senator, tell us President there when he's there.
Yes, that young man.
And it was televised live.
Yes, on national television.
And the signals were still working.
To the end.
You see, these Kenyans are, they are too much. This freedom of conversation.
It happened.
You see, I was thinking this is actually artificial intelligence. It's not AI.
It's real.
This is an actual senator.
Yes.
He's still loitering in the country.
Yes.
In a jail or in his house.
In his home.
This one should I make sure Bobby Wine does not see this nonsense. Make sure Bobby Wine does not see this crap. This is the height of this is treason. No, don't show Kagame. You will spoil his mood. No, don't even show it to Samia. What are we? What? You see, this is not the East African spirit. We shall ask for a Brexit.
Meheria Kenya.
No, mehere.
Oh, mama tia Kenya.
Ito no etiru atia.
No riu no etiru.
No Brexit yari yako.
Yangeretha makiuma EU.
We shall ask for you exit. Because we cannot have this. The last time they sent us their Genesis. I give them fair. Now they are bringing this here. You said he is a senator.
He is a senator, elected senator.
By who?
By the people.
She's talking to the president like they are the same level.
Yes.
And what is the army?
No, in Kenya, the army does not involve in civilian affairs.
Who is the commander-in-chief?
He's the president.
So who is being addressed here?
He's the commander-in-chief.
You see, if it was me, 4 jets would have flown for a warning. You see, it's unfortunate that in Kenya, the only thing the president left with is tear gas. Why is he here like that? He's fighting for which freedom? Ruto is now setting bad precedents.
And Kenyans think that all East African countries are like this.
You know, it's very unfortunate. My appetite is gone. I shall eat tomorrow. So why is he louder than the sitting DP?
Because he is former.
So who is giving him this authority?
No, the event organizers decided it was fair and respectful to give him a chance.
He was not even supposed to be allowed into the county, let alone the venue. Actually, he should have been in Uganda. We should have held him a little. Museveni cannot believe.
Ni akumenya guku ni Kenya ti Uganda.
Sevu agirokirire. Aume nake stage.
Uria guthie.
Yes. So who do you think you are?
This is Kenya.
Akamwona Kenya tayari yai.
Ndakwira.
Mimi namsikia mtu pale mnamzomea rais. Kwa pale ameketi mnamzomea.
Agire kira makia Museveni ni ati.
Yes.
In a presidential event called president yari.
Yes.
Ati no mundu no aheo kanya ga kwaria.
Yes.
Na tiwa murengo wake.
Ati tondu andu nimamwitia.
Kwa Museveni ndungiheo.
Is that man from NRM? Sorry, UDA. His party is called what?
He's called DCP.
Is he the ruling party?
No. He's
So
an opposition party.
what is he doing giving a speech?
He is a leader of that community.
Which one?
Where the body was being held.
But the leader of the country is who?
He's the president.
So who's bigger? What again remind me?
Who is he again?
So who was he?
Does he visit Uganda?
Is he friends with Bobby Wine? You should block him around in the airports so that he does not bring you mbegu.
Ila kenda na 49.